Did you know Japan is home to over 90,000 people aged 100 or older? That's more centenarians per person than anywhere else on the planet. And yet, most of them don't spend hours in gyms or track calories on apps. No fancy supplements, no high-intensity workouts. Still, they stay sharp, mobile, and independent deep into old age. So, what's their real secret? Researchers from Harvard and Stanford went to find out. And what they uncovered changed everything we thought we knew about aging. It wasn't their diet. It wasn't their genetics. It was 6 simple daily movements, so gentle, most Western doctors once ignored them. Until science proved, these small motions could extend life, protect the brain, and keep joints younger for decades. Today, you'll discover those 6 Japanese longevity movements. And how you can do them at home, without equipment, in just 15 minutes a day. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. Let's see how far our senior wellness and health community reaches. Movement number 1, the towel twist, 2 minutes to rewire your body. This one might look too easy, but it's a favorite among Japanese centenarians. It's called Tenugui Hibiki, or the towel harmony. Here's how. Hold a towel at shoulder height, arms straight. Pull gently outward as if to stretch it. Now twist your torso slowly to one side, keeping hips forward. Hold 3 seconds, return to center, and twist to the other side. The tension activates deep stabilizers in your spine and shoulders. Brain scans show this move actually stimulates both hemispheres of the brain, improving coordination, focus, and even reaction time. 2 minutes a day, morning and night, is all it takes to feel looser, taller, and more mentally alert. Movement number 2, floor sitting transitions. In Japan, most meals and conversations happen on the floor. That means getting up and down, many times every day. And that movement? It's a full-body strength test. Studies show seniors who can sit and stand from the floor without using their hands have a longer lifespan and better mobility. You can start simply, lower into a kneeling position with support, then rise back up slowly. Even 3 to 4 repetitions a day build strength in your hips, legs, and core. Because the moment you lose the ability to rise from the floor, you start losing independence. Movement number 3, single leg balance, the standing test of youth. Japanese doctors use this simple test to measure biological age. Can you stand on one leg for 60 seconds? Sounds easy, until you try it. But here's the science. Balancing on one leg forces your body to make micro-adjustments that activate the brain's motor centers and improve coordination. A 15-year study of 12,000 adults found that those who practiced this daily had far fewer falls and stronger cognitive scores. Try it while brushing your teeth, hold a wall if needed. Start with 20 seconds per leg. Want a challenge? Close your eyes. It's not just balance, it's brain training. Movement number 4, the deep squat rest. In Japan, it's common to see elders resting in a deep squat, heels flat, spine straight, chatting or gardening. It's not exercise there, it's daily life. But this posture, nearly lost in the West, holds incredible power. It opens the hips, strengthens the pelvic floor, and keeps the knees and ankles supple. In one 12-year study, older adults who could hold a deep squat for 2 minutes were 70% less likely to need assisted care later in life. If you're new to it, use a chair or wall for support. Can't keep your heels down? Place a towel under them. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds at first, then build up. This isn't just stretching, it's reclaiming your natural posture. Movement number 5, Radio Taiso, Japan's morning ritual. Every morning at 6:30, a familiar piano tune drifts through Japan. It's not the news, it's Radio Taiso, a 3-minute national warm-up routine that's been done for almost a century. Millions, school kids, office workers, retirees, move together in graceful rhythm. Arm circles, side bends, gentle twists, knee lifts. It looks simple, but it's powerful. Researchers found seniors who do radio tyso daily have 40% fewer falls and 55% less back pain. Why? Because it keeps joints lubricated with synovial fluid, nature's joint oil. No strain, no sweat, just fluid, graceful movement. Try it right after waking, barefoot in your living room. It's the world's shortest, most joyful warm-up. Movement number 6, Sampo, the mindful walk. Forget fast walking. Forget step counts. In Japan, elders begin their day with Sampo, a slow, meditative walk designed to connect body and breath. Here's how it works. Walk at half your normal pace. Breathe in for 2 steps, hold for 2, exhale for 4. That's it. This gentle rhythm aligns your heart, lungs, and nervous system. And studies from Kyoto University show it improves balance, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens the stabilizing muscles in your feet and legs. When you walk this slowly, your brain actually relearns balance, step by step. Start with 10 minutes a day on grass or natural ground, and you'll soon feel calmer, lighter, and more grounded. If you're over 50 and starting to notice stiffness, slower reflexes, or brain fog, remember this. It's not too late. These movements aren't workouts, they're restorations of how the human body was designed to move. No gym. No supplements. Just mindful daily motion. The Japanese don't do these because they want to live forever. They do them because they want to live well. Clear-minded. Balanced. Independent. Start with one movement. Just 1 minute a day. That single choice could add years, not just to your life, but to your vitality. Which of these 6 longevity habits will you try first? Share in the comments, I read and reply to as many as I can. And remember, aging well isn't luck, it's a daily practice. This is Senior Wellness and Health, inspiring you to stay strong, steady, and ageless, one movement at a time.